Alright, it's final rain. It's rained, it's rained, it's rained. Run, kid, run. And as you can see, I have my raincoat so I'm wet. Wet, wet, wet. Ooh, cold. And by the way, my room has a leak in it. So after I get one passenger here, I'm gonna go home. Oh, magkasunod naman tayo, Long. Magkasunod naman tayong dua. Kamu na to din mo pasero? Where did you take your passenger? Ah? IMB? Ay? MB, or Island. What's the street? Ooh. Ooh. It's still alive. Timer and Chopper. I have to fix that. I'm gonna change it. I have to replace it. Metrofile. I go in. Needs fixing. And there it says Timer and Twilight. Oh, Timer and Tapper. Oh my god, all key. The third connection. Alright, that's a computer over there. Barber shop where I cut our hair, get our hair cut. Yeah, my wet. That was wet. I'm gonna have slippers here. I'm wet, 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 and wet. I wonder what happened to my other ring. Oh, here it is. I wonder if you can see it. There's my ring with the cross. That's the ring and the cross. No longer wear it. I'm gonna let time make it disappear. Alright. Push, push, push it. One fit. It's raining. Alright, that's a parlor for female. That's for male. Male, male, male. Barbershop for male. For female. Chubby legs. Running dog. Mozzarella. You can ride it for 7 pesos. Picard, 5 pesos. Oh. You got a store, Coca-Cola will paint it for you, green. As long as they have the logo on it. Changing color. Right, Derby.